video, we'll talk about the use of qualitative variable and quantitative variable in business administration.
Actually, administrations are divided into 5 main sectors, which are human resources, productions, research and development, finance, and marketing.
Quantitative variable is a variable that quantifies an element of population. Quantitative information is objective and comprised of numerical, measurable data.
Quantitative variable can be represented in numbers alone and is best for gathering information. This kind of data is very useful when trying to get an overall performance of the company. The example shown in the vertical pie chart, we can see that the company was not performing well according to the turnover rate target in the years 2008 and 2009. It has very likely looked into the causes as the employee turnover dropped down to 2.5% and maintained itself around this figure over the past year. The Sony Group using the data to show the number of employees in the company. It is clear to see the number of employees dropped from 2008 to 2016 and increased in 2017. So, in this picture, we realize that the quantitative variable are related to the business administration. The company can using the quantitative variable to show the percentage of type of reward they use in the company. For the employee reward, we can see the horizontal pie chart show that more of the company use employee recognized, which is 83.8%, and the company seldom to use the spread tax as a reward, which is only 9.8%.
Asset is a resource to increase the value of a firm or benefit the firm's operation. We can see that how much Genting company acquire or purchase the asset such as equipment, machine, inventories in these 6 years. Equity represents funds contributed by the owners. Example of fund is capital, investment, loan from bank. We can see that the line graph represents the total equity of Genting company is increasing. Profit is financial benefit that is realized when the amount of revenue gained from a business activity exceeds the expenses costs needed to sustain the activity. The donut chart represents the total profit of Genting company in these 6 years. Qualitative variable is a variable that describes or categorizes an element of a population. Qualitative information is subjective and based on observations and interpretation.
Employees' benefits. Qualitative benefit variation are not the easiest to measure. That can be a good or bad. B. Work facilitation. Qualitative techniques used within group session environments to generate new ideas, new products, and new approach. C. Working condition. Qualitative analysis. The working condition can be comfortable or uncomfortable. Comfortable conditions such as create a green and comfortable space.
In sector of production, we can use the qualitative variables to identify the fluency of the production's process and to evaluate the use of resource. Is it fully employed or unfully employed? For example, we can use the qualitative variables to test results about the performance of product, such as pass or fail. Or we can use it to identify the product features, the color, the shape, the size, and the look of packaging. Besides that, it also can be used to identify the product quality, such as life expectancy of the product. In marketing, qualitative variable can be used to define our brand reputation, how good the brand inside the world ranking. Furthermore, to evaluate the customer satisfactions about the product. Is it your product satisfy their needs? Or to evaluate the customer satisfactions about your service. When you master the skills to analyze both quantitative and qualitative data, you have a powerful arsenal of diverse yet related abilities to help secure advancement in your current job and be more competitive when seeking new opportunities.